Welcome to our channel. If you need to close a bank account, follow these step-by-step instructions to do it properly, without financial complications. Step 1. Open a new bank account before closing your old one. Never close an account until you have an alternative place for your money and financial transactions. Step 2. Transfer all automatic payments and direct deposits to your new account. Update your employer, Social Security, pension, and all companies that automatically debit or credit your account. Step 3. Wait at least 2 billing cycles after updating automatic transactions. This ensures all changes processed correctly and prevents payments from bouncing due to closed account errors. Step 4. Leave enough money in your old account to cover pending transactions. Outstanding checks, scheduled payments, or pending debits can cause overdraft fees even after you think the account is empty. Step 5. Transfer or withdraw the remaining balance after all transactions clear. You can transfer funds to your new account, request a check, or withdraw cash in person at a branch. Step 6. Request formal account closure in writing at a branch or via certified mail. Don't just withdraw all money and abandon the account, as this can result in fees and negative banking records. Step 7. Destroy all checks, debit cards, and deposit slips associated with the closed account. Cut up cards and shred checks to prevent identity theft or unauthorized use. Step 8. Obtain written confirmation that your account is closed with a zero balance. Keep this documentation for your records in case of any future disputes or errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.